We tailor our services by engaging with our clients and understanding their specific needs, and we meet them where they're at. This is done through workshops, interviews, and collaborative sessions to ensure our solutions are uniquely suited to meet our clients' expectations. There are a couple of mistakes that come to mind. The first is not having the right skills in-house, and the second is to begin building products based on use case and not necessarily understanding the real value or return on investment that comes with creating a business case. A pretty common misstep that clients make when building their own products is they don't spend enough time understanding user needs and pain points. Instead, they might rely on internal functions such as marketing to bring that information forward instead of spending time with clients to truly understand how they can build products that meet and exceed their expectations.